Plan ready oire project extension chahi ma phangye PMKSY 3 yare natra adi spring set project phangye adi another very good news is honorable chief minister has written to the union cabinet minister of India rural agriculture minister Sri Shivraj Singh Chauhan ji mangonda khoi spring 300 khitang piwado 1200 DBU haidana ko
Panchayati Raj system linkhatuna local self-governance ki formal oiba structure chatnaba haukiba numit puning shingduna laibak pumbada pangthokliba National Panchayati Raj Day gi thauram state asida su pangthokre. Manipur gi damakta spring management project masing lishing amaga chanida hengat pinaba Chief Minister na Union Minister da haizakiba leire haina state level nodal agency SLNA watershed management WM Manipur gi CEO Dr. Rajkumari Sunita Devi na fongdokre. SLNAWM Manipur na senduna all secretariat office ke conference hall da pangthokhiba Panchayati Raj Day gi thauram aduda SLNAWM Manipur gi senior finance officer team member district official amadi watershed secretary gi member singna saruk yaki thauram aduda Sunita Devi na SLNAWM Manipur gi makha da committee marfu semduna status gi Kamjong Thoubal amadi Bisnupur district yaudana district taraga humdoida water amadi soil conservation gi thabak thauram paikhatli masigi mathakta horticulture amadi agriculture plantation tauba water harvesting structure semba yauna thabak thauram kaya su paikhatli status gi oina yamna nungaiba pau ama oina status gi hana spring management gi project chahum oiramba adu lising amaga chani ga kunda hangat na ba union minister da Chief Minister na Cherol iduna haizab laikre athuba matamda center na yabirakani haibagi thajab laire haina fongdoki
Annual election plan ready oire project extension chahi ma phangye PMKSY 3 yare natra adi spring set project phangye adi another very good news is honorable chief minister has written to the union cabinet minister of India rural agriculture minister Sri Shivraj Singh Chauhan ji mangonda khoi spring 300 khitang piwado 1200 DBU haidana ko so it is going to be a very big leap ko 300 kak piba kanda akoina 16 districts sida spring myam si conserve tawagi program si oyokte ko hojik later si thagre Delhi da so we are hopeful that we are going to get more funding from Delhi